Alright guys, so we're going to be going over what a Forex pair is. What is a Forex pair? What is a pair? A pair in the Forex market is basically going to consist of two currencies. The first one being the base currency and the second one being the quote currency. So in this case, we're looking at GU, short for GBP USD, the Great Britain pound against the US dollar. GBP is going to be the base currency, and the secondary currency or the quote currency is going to be the US dollar. There's a few variations of pairs that you could trade. Right here on my watch list, I have USD JPY, which is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I have Euro USD, which is the euro against the US dollar. You could trade CAD JPY, CAD NZD, the New Zealand dollars. There's multiple variations that you could trade in the Forex market. What I wanted to show you guys really quick was when you open up a chart and you look at your currency, so in this case GBP USD, right, GU, and price is trending down, the movements that you're seeing, whether it's down or up, are basically the movements of the base currency. So if price is trending down, that means that the Great Britain pound is losing value and the US dollar is gaining value. So the secondary currency, when the base currency is going down, the quote currency is gaining value. I don't know if that makes any sense. I'm going to repeat it one more time. If the base currency is losing value, Great Britain pound trending down, losing value, that means that the US dollar is gaining value. The moment that price, you see your chart trending up, that means that the Great Britain pound is gaining value and the US dollar is losing value. Whether it's for a short period of time or a long period of time, the movements that you're looking at are the base currency. So every time the base currency, or every time you look at a chart and price is trending up, you can already have in your head that the secondary currency is doing the opposite.